It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2025 Ranger XLT in desert sand. It has black ebony cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and about a 4-foot box, or 5-foot box, I should say. It has the FX4 Off-Road Package, which includes skid plates. You also have a trailer tow package and navigation, power sliding rear window. It's a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. And if you'd like to stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. And if you'd like to take it out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. It's a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. In the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your passenger seat is also powered. Carpeted mats, and you have your lighting controls located here. There's a nice running board, just making it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel, we have our cruise control and volume. I'm just going to close the door here. We have our menu and hands-free dialing. And then when we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu. And the key is just stuck in my pocket right at the moment. It's going to take me a second here, sorry about that, to get it out. There we go. And then in the center here, we've got our display screen that's coming up, and we've got our dual climate controller AC, our front and rear defrost, our heated seats for both driver and passenger, and that's the map for the navigation. And we have our owner's manual in here, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We also can go into our vehicle. We're going to have our controls and the auto hold. So if you're on an incline or you're towing, you would use the auto hold to keep you in place. You've got your off-road, and then you've got your forward camera. So this is, this is the reverse camera. And the reason I know it's the reverse one, I'm seeing the back view, but also off the back bumper, and you're seeing the trailer tow hitch. There's the center line and the green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles. And we're not in gear. So this is just having a peek before you go anywhere. Now, when I put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view, and it's the same view again, but now we are in reverse. We're ready to go backwards. There you go. And then you've got your climate control with the AC, your hazard lights, there's your fan, your volume, and you've got your max AC there and your front defrost. And then down in the cubby, we have the outlets, USB-C and USB there, and we've got our automatic select shifter, emergency parking brake, a couple of cup holders. We also have our 4x4 here with our tow haul in the center. And then we have our traction control, auto stop start for less idle time, and our leveling here, and our traction, which is really nice. If you're on gravel roads or uneven surfaces, maybe there's construction, you can use that. And then you've got storage in your armrest, glove compartment off to the side, little cubby, grab handle in the body, auto dimming rear view mirror, and we have a power sliding window in the rear. That's what that's for. Not going to do that today because it's raining out. Our lighting controls, our sunglass holder, and you're all set to go. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board and black door handle, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler, the FX4 Off-Road Package, which includes skid plates, and you have your backup camera below your Ford badge, backup sensors on your bumper, plus a trailer tow hitch. And then when we're ready to open it up, we just simply put our hand in the latch. You've got tie downs in all 4 corners. You also have a place for clamps, to clamp items there. And you notice that the tailgate went down easily. That's tailgate assist. And then when you're ready, you just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3, and this is a bench seat. You've got your armrest in the center with a couple of cup holders. We're going to flip that up. Now there's a tab on each side that you can pull. You only need to pull one, and it'll bring the whole seat base up, and then you've got storage and place for your jack. Then just bring it back down, and then you can just bring your armrest back down with a couple cup holders. Carpeted mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You've got a nice little cubby, a USB-C and USB outlet, dome lighting up top, and hooks and handles off to the side, and in the back a power sliding window. Reverse camera and sensors in the rear, You have mud flaps, running boards, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system and integrated turn signal, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.